Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Farzana's Healthy Bakes and Cooks. Today I'll be presenting before you an Assamese traditional herbal fish curry. As we all know, and studies have also shown that 50% of India's entire plant biodiversity is contributed by the northeastern states, that is Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, Sikkim, and Nagaland. Government of India in 1980s actually recorded that there are 286 species of plants from Assam that are used by the tribes and the local people of Assam. The traditional system of medicine from these herbs plays an important role in the healthcare of the rural people for all types of ailments. In short, we can say that most of the medicinal plants used by the locals and the tribes of Assam are indigenous and not known to the vast world and yet to be explored. Today, I'll be using just 3 herbs from this entire 286 herbs that's available in Assam. Just 3 herbs, and that is purslane, wood sorrel, and curry leaves. Purslane and wood sorrel, these 2 herbs are widely available in our backyards here in America, and we try to use as much as possible in our cuisine and to keep us healthy and going and to boost our energy. So let's take a look at the recipe as how to prepare this simple Assamese traditional herbal fish curry. What do you think of the color? Doesn't it look beautiful? Just look at the green base sauce that we have in there. And the fish that I have used is catfish. If catfish is not available anywhere, you can use any other fish of your choice. But the main ingredient of this curry is the sauce. And this green sauce that we can see is the most healthiest and helps in digestion. And above that, with the addition of black peppercorns into the curry, this curry helps to keep you warm in winter. Let's proceed to my backyard garden and pluck some herbs from there. This is purslane and the whole plant is edible. It is said to be rich in omega-3 fatty acid and it is also an excellent source of vitamin A. It helps to reduce diseases of kidney and lungs, gallbladder. It strengthens your heart. And likewise, we have wood sorrel here. Wood sorrel being a medicinal plant actually helps in digestion. It helps to treat urinary tract infections, throat, nausea, mouth sores, and to some extent it helps in cancer cases. So after all the herbs has been picked, wash them off properly till all dirt is removed and then it's ready to be used for the curry. So here we have a handful of wood sorrel, another handful of purslane leaves, a few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 green chilies, that's optional, 2 to 3 big garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and half an onion. Now take a mixer jar and to it add in peppercorns, green chilies, cumin seeds, onions, and along with that the garlic cloves. Put the lid on and make a paste out of it. As you can see that it's already grounded, and now to that grounded masala we will add all the green leaves that we have, that is curry leaves, wood sorrel and purslane. And after everything is added to it, put the lid on and grind to a paste. Do you see the color of the paste? Isn't that a beautiful green color? Oh my, it really looks so awesome. Now to this paste, what we will do is we'll add little water to it, mix it well to make it a smooth consistency. Place a karai or pan on medium heat and add 4 tablespoons of mustard oil to it. And once the oil is hot, we add in half teaspoon of nigella seeds and 2 cloves of garlic sliced thinly. And once it splutters, we add in the green herbal paste, and to it add in some salt, some turmeric and some chili powder, and we mix all of this together and let it cook. and let it cook till all water dries up. As you can see, the water has dried up and the oil is being released. Now we add in the washed and cut catfish pieces. If desired, these catfish pieces can be marinated with salt and turmeric and fried before adding to this paste. But I personally prefer the catfish to be raw and cooked in this gravy so that I get the maximum flavor of the fish in the curry. Once you have cooked 2 minutes on one side, flip the pieces over and let it cook for another 2 minutes. And when you see that the other side has been cooked, now what we can do is we add in a little bit of water to it. After we add, we see that the water is a little above the fish pieces, and once the water is added, give it a quick stir very slowly and carefully, taking care not to break the fish pieces. So once you're satisfied that all the spices and the green paste with the fish has stirred up well, now you can put a lid on and let cook further. After 8 to 10 minutes, open the lid and we flip the fish pieces so that the other side also gets cooked properly. And once it's done, close the lid again and let it cook further. Again, after 8 to 10 minutes, you can open the lid, give it a quick stir, and then we add in whole fresh green chilies and put the lid back on and off the flame. So your Assamese herbal fish curry is ready to be served. And this herbal fish curry actually goes very well with just plain rice. But if you want, you can have it with roti, with rice crepes, or with naan. But best combination is plain rice and fish curry. Give it a try. It's a very simple recipe. And in case you don't have purslane and wood sorrel right now, make it only with curry leaves, but just increase the amount of the curry leaves. Just make and enjoy. I hope this simple Assamese traditional herbal fish curry was easy for you to follow. In case you don't have purslane or wood sorrel, as in winter, we don't get that in America. But during summer, if you happen to come across that in your lawn, why not make use of it? I have many other recipes where I have used a lot of herbs, actually tried using the herbs that's available here to make whatever we can and add to our cuisine. Please take a look at those recipes. Most of them are in my description box, or you can also find them in the playlist, or sometimes I put up the links and you can go directly to the links. I would like to thank all my viewers, my subscribers, and all my friends and family, whoever's watching me, wherever you are. I would immensely love to thank you for all your time, love, and support. Please take care and be safe. Bye bye.